next topic, which was people's YouTube account being banned for spamming. And this is Markiplier, a very famous YouTuber. He's been running into he ran into an issue where he was streaming on YouTube, and part of the stream required a voting system, and there's no built-in voting system in the YouTube comments system where people are chatting during the live stream.
Not the way that Twitch has it.
Twitch has extensions. It doesn't have anything built in, but you like, and I'm not sure if YouTube might have it, but at least in this case, they didn't have it set up.
Yeah.
What they were doing is they were doing a spam emotes. If you want this hat, if you want him to make this decision, you spam this emote. If you want him to make this decision, you spam this other emote. That was essentially the way it goes. So there was, and this is a very normal thing in live streams to do this. So it's not like a big, change up in how live streams are done.
And by spamming, you simply just mean sending a lot of what you're sending,
repeatedly
the
sending
message,
this
or the emoticon or whatever
emote,
it is.
and in the chat, and literally hundreds of people
who were participating
in this ended up getting their Google account banned, and not just their YouTube account, their actual Google account, their Gmail altogether was, and any services that are linked with Google, which
that's a big problem.
That's your Google Drive, your Google Photos, your YouTube. You have your contacts often. You can have your passwords synced up with it. Your two-factor authentications. Yeah.
So when you say what they were banned or suspended or whatever, ultimately the pictures at least didn't get deleted, for example, right? The pictures are still there.
They could be, from what I don't know exactly what a ban constitutes,
but
from what I understand, at least from the YouTube standpoint, is that the videos could be gone.
It might not be reversible, is what you're saying.
It might
potentially.
Be reversible.
We're not sure, but
whatever happens when you are banned, if there is anything gone, YouTube probably won't restore that. And that's assuming that they do reverse the decision altogether, which people have already submitted appeals, and that the appeals have been rejected.
See, this really does shake the trust in companies like Google, which, sure, it's a free service that they provide, but at the same time, they are benefiting from your information, from you viewing the ads when you utilize their services. And I mean, they have all of your data that they collect, and at this point they just use it freely. But to me, besides the potential how heartbreaking it could be if you lose all of your photos, because a lot of people only take photos on their phones anymore and videos, and when you upload to YouTube, some people don't necessarily keep the originals if all of that was deleted. But the other thing that's scary is, for your bank accounts, for everything you create anymore, you need an email address associated.
Yeah.
And the way to recover passwords or to reset or to make changes to your account is often through your email address. And if they are now banning those email addresses, that's majorly problematic. It's not okay.
Yeah. And we'll get into that part and remedies after we go over this third issue. And but yes, when you have emails, and then also if you're thinking now, YouTube, what we've talked about, the YouTube password generator. If you have a YouTube password generator, and then all of a sudden you generated a password for let's say your bank account, and you don't remember your password after your Google account gets banned,
you can't even get into your bank account.
Yeah, so there are remedies. This is something that I've thought about too that we'll get into in a second. But thank you for watching Tech Talks. If you liked the video, please leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.